This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
RBC or red blood cell, also known as erythrocytes, are most abundant of the blood cells. Means their number is highest. They are biconcave disc. You can see here. They are biconcave discs. Contain oxygen carrying protein that is called hemoglobin. The biconcave shape is maintained by a network of proteins called spectrin. Their characteristic shape is suited to their purpose. The biconcavity increases the surface area for gas exchange. Hemoglobin is composed of a protein called globin bound to the iron containing pigment called heme. Erythrocytes are produced in red bone marrow, which is present in ends of the long bones and in flat as well as in irregular bones. They pass through several stages of development before entering in the blood. Their lifespan in circulation or blood is about 120 days. What are white blood cells? White blood cells are also known as leucocytes. There are approximately 5,000 to 10,000 white blood cells in every cubic ml of the blood. There are two main types of white blood cells, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes means they contain granules in the cytoplasm, which includes neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Agranulocytes, which, uh, as the name suggests, they have no granules, but some granules are present there. These are monocytes and lymphocytes. What is neutrophil? These are small, fast, and active cells protect the body against bacterial invasion and remove dead cells and debris from the damaged tissue by phagocytosis. They are attracted in large number to any area of the infection by chemical substance called chemotaxins, which are released by damaged cells. Neutrophils are highly mobile and squeeze through the capillary wall in the affected area of tissue. Means they can move outside the blood vessel. Eosinophil. These are approximately 2 to 4% of granulocytes and have B-shaped nucleus. Like neutrophil, they too migrate from the blood vessel and they are 10 to 12 micrometer in diameter. They also have phagocytic activity. They contain lysosomal enzyme and peroxidase in their granules, which are toxic to parasites, resulting in the destruction of organism or parasites. Basophils. Basophils are closely associated with the allergic reactions. Contain cytoplasmic granules packed with heparin, histamine, and other substances that promote inflammatory reactions. Basophils play an important role in providing immunity against parasites and also in the allergic response, as they have immunoglobulin E IgE on their surface. Monocytes. This is a granulocyte. These are largest white blood cells. Some circulate in the blood and are actively motile and phagocytic, while some migrate into the tissue where they develop into macrophages. Macrophages play a vital role in immunity and inflammation by destroying the specific antigens. Lymphocyte. Lymphocytes are smaller than monocytes and have large nucleus. They circulate in the blood and are present in great number in the lymphatic tissue. such as lymph nodes and spleen. Although all lymphocytes originate from one type of stem cell, but when they are activated in lymphatic tissue, two distinct types of lymphocytes are produced: T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Functions of blood. Blood mainly have the function, as you know, to transport the oxygen and carbon dioxide. But apart from this, it has many other functions. We can group these functions under headings. First heading is transportation. The blood is the mean of transportation for many products, such as nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamins, as well as hormones and respiratory gases, that are oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are transported in and out of the cell throughout the body. Second function is maintaining body temperature. Blood helps to maintain body temperature by distributing the heat produced by chemical activities of the cells evenly throughout the body. Maintaining the acid-base balance. Blood pH is maintained by excretion and absorption of hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ions. Regulation of fluid balance. When the blood reaches kidney, excess fluid is excreted or reabsorbed to maintain fluid balance. Removal of waste products. The blood removes all the waste products from the tissue and cell. These waste products are then transported to the appropriate organ for excretion, such as lungs, kidney, intestine, skin, and so on. Blood clotting. By the mechanism of clotting, loss of blood cells and body fluids is prevented. Defense action. The blood aids in the defense of body against the invasion of microorganisms and their toxins due to the phagocytic action of neutrophils and monocytes.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.